Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to create a stunning landing page in Wix to promote your product, collect level leads, or drive traffic to specific offer? In this video, I will walk you through how to create a high converting landing page step by step. No coding needed. Let's dive in. First of all, what's landing page? A landing page is a single page website with one clear goal like collecting emails, selling a product, or promoting an event. Unlike a full website, it removes distractions and keeps users focused on a call to action. So, first of all, log into your Wix account, click create new site, then choose studio template section, search for business or other, or select landing page like that, then click edit. Now customize the page to fit your brand and messages. Like headline, clear, bold, and benefit driven. Sub headline, brief explanation of your offer. Visuals, add product images, mockups or videos. Call to action, a button like buy now, sign up, or get access, or notify me. From or a form or button link, contact to a form, store, or external page. From Elements tab, then select contact and forms section. You can add subscribe form, etc. If you want to collect emails or leads, add a Wix form. From here, drag and drag a template like that. Customize fields like name, email, adjust the box like that. Set up form submissions to email or Wix CRM. Add a thank you message or redirect to a success page. Here are quick tips to make your landing convert better. Keep it simple, one goal, one CTA, use contrasting colors for buttons. Add social proof, reviews, testimonials, badges. Keep everything mobile friendly. Use short bullet points instead of long paragraphs. More than 50% of traffic comes from phones, so let's check the mobile view. Click the mobile icon from the top, then adjust the box size, then click settings, then size padding, top padding like that, rows, and that's it. Go to design, select color from here. From here, you can choose the template like that. Test buttons and form responsiveness. Once everything looks great, you are ready to go live. Click on publish button from upper right corner. Copy your custom domain or free Wix URL. Click save and click view site, and that's your site. That's good. Enter your email, then click submit. Share it on social media, ads, email, or use QR codes, track visits using Wix Analytics. And that's how you build a professional landing page on Wix in just a minute. Whether you are launching a product, collecting leads, or promoting a service, Wix makes it simple. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment. What are you building your landing page for? See you in the next time.